Welcome. Come close to Livana Vanadala so I can sense your inner spirit. Oh, I sense a prediction. Yes. Oh, no, not just any prediction. Oh, no, no, no. I predict that the Santan Valley News.net will be Santan Valley's #1 news site very soon. Yes, all other news sites, they are going out of business. Yes, oh dear one, here is one final scrap of wisdom for your journey. Yes, my predictions, they are always right. Yes, right on the mark. Bullseye.